everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, go ahead and hit the red button. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications whenever I upload. If you're already part of this family, thank you so much for supporting as always. If you're watching this, that means you're probably interested in learning a few tips on how to film with an iPhone. If you already know how to do that, great. You can still enjoy this video. You never know, you might be picking up something you probably didn't know about before. So let's get right into this video. So I know a lot of people are out there still trying to start their own YouTube channel. A lot of people already started, and for some it's quite a struggle, for some it's not. It's okay if you're already a pro in this. It's okay to hear this. It's okay if you're not a pro at this and you probably want to pick a thing or two from this video. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys, I use an iPhone. Presently, I use the iPhone 8 Plus. So, of course, there's some perks to that. This is my iPhone. So that is that. Not everybody is privileged or fortunate to have an iPhone. That's okay. Whatever phone you have, as long as it's a smartphone, that is a great start to starting your own YouTube channel. Now, if you do not have a smartphone, there are many other options out there. You just probably have to save up for either a phone or smartphone that's cheap in the market, or you can go ahead and get one of those home recorders and then use that to start your YouTube channel. So this is specifically for anybody using an iPhone, mostly iPhones, or anybody using a smartphone. If you are trying to start your own YouTube channel, then maybe an iPhone or a smartphone is the best option to start out. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry to get yourself a DSLR or a more expensive way of filming. Just a few things you can start out your channel with without spending so much. So I'm going to get right into it. So recording with a phone, you want to make sure you have enough storage, right? And most phones come with about 16 to 32 gigabytes worth of storage. So mind you, each video recorded sometimes comes out with more than that. And it's quite a heavy weight to upload on YouTube. So your phone might not be able to carry it unless it has all the storage space it needs. Mind you, we're taking selfies, we're taking screenshots, we're recording, phone recording, whatever it is, sound, whatever it is, music, whatever you do, just make sure that you have enough storage space to record. Okay, now battery level. Your battery level has to be enough to take up the footage. You might be recording at a 20% amount of juice or something, and then your phone might die in the middle of recording. You have to charge it for another 15 minutes or so. Imagine you're filming a cooking video and you're unaware of the phone going off, and then you just keep cooking thinking it's recording. Imagine the amount of footage you've lost at that moment because you have no idea when the phone actually died, and so you probably have to go ahead and record it all over again. Sucks, right? Other thing to keep in mind is the space. So if it's a beauty video, if it's a chat with me, chit chat, get ready with me, of course you want a quiet place so everybody can hear you clearly and be able to understand what you're trying to put out there, right? So you want to keep that in mind. If you're vlogging, that's a whole different thing. You might need some kind of extra mic, like a lapel mic, or an extra mic you can kind of plug into your phone because it can get a little noisy out there, especially in restaurants and other areas, okay? You get what I mean? So starting up YouTube, you probably don't have to invest in the ring lights and the umbrella lights and the soft boxes and things like that. I started, luckily and fortunately, with the umbrella lights. I started with the umbrella lights, and eventually, God being so good, I got a ring light and then of course some soft boxes. I will probably show you guys my filming setup if you guys are interested later. But if you're not able to afford all of those, that's okay. You can definitely sit by a window. Get the natural amazing lighting, okay? That's cheap, $0. Every smartphone comes with some kind of lens with that, okay? I don't know what the quality would be, but then definitely consider cleaning your lens, okay? With touching the face with a phone and picking up phone calls and all that leaves the lenses blurry and dirty. So definitely, no doubt, just go ahead and clean it and just get yourself ready to get started. Now, another thing to consider is how you're going to set it up. So you're probably thinking, okay, my battery is good, okay, my storage is on point, I have that all figured out, right? Oh, I clean my lenses, great.
I have my lighting figured out. I'm just going to sit by my window. That's also figured out. All I have to do is just film. So what do I do now?
Awesome. Now the thing is, how are you actually going to set it up? So if you don't have a tripod, that's okay. You can definitely stack up some books. Depending on where the light is focused on, lean the phone on there and just angle it properly depending on where you're sitting. Then just start recording, right? If not, and you have, so I got this tripod on Amazon some years back, and it's very durable, very heavy as well. So you can definitely invest in one of these if you have the money. I think it was about $150 or so, or $70. It was about $70 to $100 or something dollars. So you can definitely invest in one of these. You can, if you're on a budget like me, always on a budget, you can definitely get one of these little tripods, okay? And this came with a remote as well. So that this is awesome. Like this remote, you can definitely start recording, stop recording with that. As long as it connects to Bluetooth, you're good to go. You can record with this sitting on a table. And this curves perfectly. If you're a vlogger, this is also a plus, because then all you got to do is hold this, connect it to your phone as well, and just vlog your way out, okay? You can kind of play around with it and get it all situated, okay, guys? So this was, I think, about $20 or so. There are more out there you can play around with. Just depends on whatever your budget is. You can definitely find that on Amazon as well. So these come in handy if you want to save up for it. That's awesome. Another thing that people make a lot of mistakes with is recording vertically, okay? Now, to record on YouTube, you definitely want to switch this to landscape. This is the proper way to record with your phone. This. If you record this way, it's not going to be appealing. That's when you're going to create videos with the black borders, and that's not appealing, okay? So this is the way and proper way to record with the phone, no matter what phone it is. Forget the Apple logo here, okay? This is an iPhone for sure, but this can work with a smartphone, any smartphone. Now that you have all of this figured out, now that you have your lighting together, you know exactly how to position your phone, either on a tripod or leaving it by your window. Now that you have your lighting together, you have a window you can sit by, or you have a ring light, or you have a softbox or umbrella light. Your battery is on point, your storage level is good to go. You wipe down your lens, you have great lighting, you're sitting. Now that you have your phone switched to landscape and ready to hit record, the first thing to keep in mind is your confidence level, guys. If you're gonna start filming on YouTube, you wanna make sure you add some confidence. So I wanna sprinkle some bit of confidence to you guys out there. If you're ready to start filming on YouTube, go ahead and start it. This is like a perfect time to get on YouTube. And welcome to YouTube as well. It's time to hit record. So I'm gonna leave you guys here with these tips, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're interested in how I edit on my phone, I can definitely create a video for that. If you guys are interested or have any other questions, drop it in the comment section. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well, and don't forget to share this as well. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.